God, it's so damn it, I missed it. The birds, they were fighting over a chip. And my stupid phone took forever. Fucking, I'm pissed, bro. Where's the damn chip? I think it flew away with it. That was so funny. It was like a yellow chip. I'm pissed. It took forever to take my phone out. Oh, look, there's a black kitty cat. Hey, kitty cat. But they were fighting over like it looked like a little chip, I think. Oh, of course, it took me forever to get my phone out. 7:77, 8 p.m. A poisonous moment. Oh, what is this? Okay. That looks like a ghost. Yeah. You look like a movie. Smell like a song. Yeah, that looks like a bat. Huh. But that looks like, or maybe just a bird. Yeah, maybe a bird. Yeah. Am I a bird lady or a cat lady? I don't know. What's worst? Or maybe it's the best thing in the world. Hello, pigeon. I'm a bird lady. I can be both. Like whatever. You have 3 cats, or you had 3 cats, so you became a cat man. That's so funny.